This video demonstrates how to use the ACDP to transfer IMMO data from the original VGS4 to a donor VGS4 to complete VGS4 replacement. Power on the ACDP. Open the ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device is connected. Click Benz. Click Gearbox Refresh. Click VGS4-0-NAG2 4-4 Help. According to the help document, connect the VGS4-0-NAG2 interface board to the TCU and ACDP properly. Remember to move the jumper cap to the CAN-R end. The overall wiring diagram of Module 1.6 interface board is shown below. Click VGS4-0-NAG2 4-4. Click Identify Info. Click Continue. Check if the identified original TCU module information is correct. Screenshot saved. Click Continue. Attention, IMMO status, support refresh or transfer data. Screenshot saved. Click OK. Click OK. Click Transfer Data. Click Step 1, Read Original Coding. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click OK, save coding data. Note the storage path of the original vehicle data back